The seventh skill in the admin skills kit would be business analysis, and it is here that you improve the efficiency of business operations by proactively undertaking regular process analysis and documentation. So let's dive in and learn more about business analysis. They provide different examples of how you can represent business analysis skills on your resume, such as having built strong relationships with users to better understand their needs and identify opportunities for improvement, as well as working closely with stakeholders to identify business requirements, perform analysis, and provide data-driven recommendations. And then finally, developed a strategic framework to provide greater transparency into customized business processes. Then it continues on further with saying that you need to be involved identifying the processes, people, information, and documentation of all business activities, and then using this information to build solutions to meet the business needs. So there's a hint here of the common role of a business analyst being a bridge between the business and IT, or between the business and the technical side. So you act as a liaison oftentimes between those two sides of the equation, the business and the technical. Now on the employer side, these are examples for job descriptions looking for individuals with business analysis skills, such as improved business processes and efficiencies in Salesforce using your strong business analysis skills. And then next up, analyze business processes and make data-driven recommendations for improvement. And then finally, possess a deep understanding of Salesforce products, processes, and best practices. And with this particular skill, this is a certification as well that Salesforce has recently released. That's the Business Analyst Certification. I've got a course on that, so be sure and check that out. I'll link to that for your reference. And then other references or resources that Salesforce provides would be various blog articles and interviews, trailhead modules, etc. So be sure and check out those links as well. So that's the seventh skill in the admin skills kit, business analysis. Next up is skill number 8, data analysis. We'll do that next.